Motown, damn. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Let's go.
In the club with my homies, tryna get a little VI, keep it down on the low key. Cause you know how it feels. I saw the shorty, she was checking up on me. From the game, she was spitting in my ear. You would think that she knew me. Decided to chill. Conversation got heavy. She had me feeling like she's ready to blow.
Watch out.
She's saying, come get me. So I got up and followed her to the floor. She said, baby, let's go. When I told her, I said,
Watch out, my outfit's ridiculous. In the club looking so conspicuous. And wow, these women all on the prowl. If you hold the head steady, I'ma milk the cow. Forget about game, I'ma spit the truth. I won't stop till I get them in their birthday suits. So give me the rhythm and it'll be off with their clothes. Then bend over to the front and touch your toes.
take that chance, where's it gonna lead? But what I love is the way she dances, shawty alright for me. The way she I'm like, yeah, work that out for me. She asked for one more dance, and I'm like, yeah, how the hell am I supposed to leave? And I said,
Watch out.
Sha la 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 la. I'm staring at the mirror when I'm straight down, staring at this yellow-haired girl. Mr. Jones strikes up a conversation with the black hair, flamenco dance. You know she dances while his father plays guitar. She's suddenly beautiful, and we all want something beautiful. Man, I wish I was beautiful. So come dance the silence down through the morning. Sha